Hey guys, it's Joseph from the DA office. Today I'm going to show you the short video how to change the temperature and the time on your Duke bread oven from the new Italian bread. Right now we're on the main screen. You press in your corner, left corner is exclamation point. Click on the recipe. The pin code is 5678. And I'm gonna press bread. Recipe. I'm gonna call it bread 2. And then right now the time here is set up for 11 minutes and the temperature is set up for 350 temperature. I'm going to change to 12 minutes and save it. You need to hold it, and then temperature to change it to 360. And how you save it, you just need to hold it down. Right now we're just going to make sure that the temperatures are corrected right. So right now we have settings for the wheat bread that is set up to 350, and the temperature is and the time is 12 minutes. And then setting that we set up is set to 360 with a time of 12 minutes. I hope that helped